Congratulations! You have completed all of the videos and exercises. You should feel proud. It wasn't long ago when you started the course. Now you're like this high performance race car when it comes to combining data. In this course, we cover a lot of topics. In Chapter 1, you perform an inner join with the default settings using the merge method. You also learn about the different types of table relationships and how to merge multiple tables. These are the basics of combining data with the merge method. In the second chapter, you expanded your joining skills to many different types of joins. You also learn how to merge a table to itself and how to merge using indexes. In the third chapter, you learned about filtering joins, such as semi and anti-joins. You also learn how to combine data vertically with the cat method and about the importance of data integrity. In the last chapter, you discover how to merge ordered and time series data with merge ordered and merge as of. In the last lesson, you learn how to use melt. Thank you for completing the course and for the time you have put in. I wish you luck as you continue your learning.